How to change collection list images in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the collection list images into your Shopify store. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to head over to the left side of the screen, click on products. From the products, you're going to see all the products that we own, and also we can see under the products, the collections. Click on collections and you're going to see the collections that you have created. If you haven't created a collection yet, I highly invite you to click on create collection and start creating a new collection of yours. So now, how we can change the collection list image. So we're going to click on the collection. And then we're going to find that we have the title, description, all the elements composing the collection. But for the image or the collection list image, we're going to have a part which is going to be image. Here, we are going to click on add image, and then we are going to select the image that we are going to change and click on done. So with that, you can see that we have changed the image, and each one of the collection is going to have an image. So you can go ahead and edit that image, change it like that by clicking on change, and here we have it. So in the beginning, I have added the image, but I haven't changed it. So we can go ahead after adding an image, changing the image by drag and dropping an image or uploading an image from your files. So this is going to be doable for all the collections. It is going to be the same. As you can see, for the collection, we have changed the image of it, or the collection list image. So you can go ahead also and use this method with the others, like having here the method set up, and also we are going to click on this and click on done. So we are going to be with that satisfied, I think. Do not forget to add your specific products, and then you're going to click on save, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.